Welcome to How to Perform a Simple Search and Use Punch-Out Suppliers in the Georgia First Marketplace. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to perform a simple search in the Georgia First Marketplace and search from punch-out suppliers. This lesson is designed to show users, including shoppers, requesters, and buyers, how to use search tools in the Georgia First Marketplace. We cover a variety of methods in the next 3 lessons. As you gain experience in the marketplace, you will find which is the most comfortable and effective search method for you. As you can see, we have entered the Georgia First Marketplace and minimized our PeopleSoft menu. We are first going to walk through how to use the simple search function. A simple search is similar to a Google search where you enter a word, phrase, or keyword into a single text box for searching. By using a simple search, you can get results from hosted catalogs, self-managed catalogs, and contracts. Simple search displays when you enter the Georgia First Marketplace. To begin, I'm going to search for an item for which we have the part number, 375006. Notice that we pulled up just one item. Let's use this simple search to orient ourselves to the features on this page before we do a search that returns more items. First, the item we searched for is listed under the search bar by the words Results For. Below that and to the right, we can see the total number of results. Beginning on the left of the next row, we can set how many results we want to see per page with numbers ranging from 5 to 200. Next, we can change how we sort the information using the criteria you see listed, including price. The navigation buttons are to the right. The arrow icons move pages forward and backward or allow us to select a specific page. Last, the Filter Results box is on the far left of the page. We'll learn how to use this box in our next search. Now that we're familiar with how the results page looks, let's do a broader search for an item we don't have a part number for. Let's type pens into the search field at the top. As you can see, we got over 4,000 results, primarily due to our using a broad search term and searching in all categories. Fortunately, we can narrow the search to a particular product category. To see the product category list, select the drop-down list where everything is displayed. Categories are dependent on each institution, so your list may look different. For now, we'll go over the categories we see here. First, lab supplies are products used in various research environments. Medical clinical supplies include medical, surgical, clinical, and dental products. Office computer or office supplies and consumables. MRO facilities include products related to maintenance, repair, and operation. Furniture is all furniture. Services are all service-related items. Georgia First Marketplace does not use Supplies Manager. Manufacturing is for major equipment purchases. Books include all hard copy documentation, including books and magazines. Electronics include all electronic or computer-related equipment. Specialty is for miscellaneous products such as sporting equipment, clothing, and musical equipment. And then food equipment is for all food-related items. We recommend that when searching for an item, you first search by product category. If you do not find what you're looking for, then search for everything. To narrow our search for pens, we'll select the product category of Office Computer. Our results drop down to 2,955, which is more manageable, but still too many. Let's add another search term to narrow our results even more. I'm going to enter the term push in our search string so that the marketplace will pull back anything with the term pen and push in it. Now we are down to 5 results. As you can see, the more search terms you use, the more precise the results. Another way to narrow our search results is to use the Filter Results box on the left. We can filter products by vendor, category, packaging UOM, result type, and manufacturer. Let's filter push bins by category. We'll click on Desk Supplies. Now we've narrowed our search to 2 items. If you want to remove a filter, select the Remove Filter icon. With the combination of product categories and filter results, you can find many items through the simple search function. Now let's see what it looks like to search from a punch-out supplier. Click the logo in the corner to return to the home page. When searching from a punch-out supplier, you will actually be entering their website. Therefore, each punch-out supplier's search methods will be different. First, let's take a look at Staples. In the punch-out section, click the Staples box. It will take a moment to redirect you to the Staples website. However, you will still be in PeopleSoft Financials and the Georgia First Marketplace. As you can see, we are actually in Staples website. You will search for items and select them from the Staples website. We will discuss how to select items in another lesson. Let's search using the keyword of keyboard. The results are listed, and you can use Staples options for narrowing down those results. To return to the Georgia First Marketplace, we simply click the Cancel Punch-Out button in the right-hand corner. Now we're back to the marketplace. Just remember that each punch-out supplier's website is slightly different, but they all have a search function and they all have ways to narrow your search. You should now be able to perform a simple search in the Georgia First Marketplace and search from punch-out suppliers. In the next lesson on performing searches in Georgia First Marketplace, we will discuss how to perform an advanced search and how to browse for items. If you have further questions, please contact the ITS Help Desk at helpdesk@usg.edu. Thank you for attending.